Tell me about the engine.
The C7 Caterpillar engine is a 7.2-liter, six-cylinder diesel engine commonly used in various applications, including trucks, buses, and construction equipment. It features inline configuration, turbocharged and air-to-air aftercooled, high-pressure common rail fuel system. Output ranges from 250 to 350 horsepower, emission-compliant versions with various configurations. It's known for its durability, efficiency, and performance in demanding environments.
Tell me more about the turbocharger.
The turbocharger on the C7 Caterpillar engine enhances intake air pressure, improving power and efficiency. Key features include single turbo design, generally a single turbocharger setup for optimal performance. Boosting airflow increases the density of air entering the engine, allowing for more fuel combustion. Improved efficiency helps increase power output without significantly raising engine size or weight. Wastegate control regulates exhaust flow to prevent overboost, protecting engine components. Turbocharging contributes to better fuel economy and reduced emissions by allowing for leaner fuel mixtures.
Does it have a radiator?
Yes, the C7 Caterpillar engine is equipped with a radiator. The radiator is part of the cooling system, designed to dissipate heat generated during operation and maintain optimal engine temperatures. It works in conjunction with the engine's water pump and coolant to effectively regulate temperature and prevent overheating.
What industries use this engine?
The C7 Caterpillar engine is used in various industries, including 1. Transportation, trucks, buses, and delivery vehicles. 2. Construction, excavators, bulldozers, and other heavy equipment. 3. Agriculture, tractors, and agricultural machinery. 4. Mining, heavy-duty equipment for mineral extraction. 5. Generators, standby and prime power generation. 6. Marine, towboats, and other commercial vessels. Its versatility makes it suitable for both on-road and off-road applications.
What is the most expensive part to replace?
The most expensive part to replace on a C7 Caterpillar engine is typically the fuel injection system or turbocharger, depending on the extent of damage. Other costly components can include the engine block or cylinder head, especially if significant labor is required for replacement. Repair costs can vary widely based on the specific issue and labor costs.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.